Now, the real reason we're here is to launch a very new and exciting membership, or partnership I should say, within English cricket. Now, there's a novelty for us, isn't it? An exciting partnership within English cricket is between Leica Mobile, the world's biggest international mobile network provider, and sponsoring the youth element of Chance to Shine Street, previously known as Street Chance to many of us.
Firstly and importantly, I think it's really about removing barriers that young people tell us get in the way of playing cricket. So, as you've heard, our sessions are open to anyone. They're free to attend, you can bring your friends. They're in community locations and they require no special equipment or kit.
We've sort of had a similar upbringing. Everything I done, when I was speaking to him on tour, he said, "Oh yeah, I used to do that. I used to play it with my mates there, and we used to climb over the gates and do this. And caretakers used to try to chuck you out and everything." And you know, when you're a kid, you don't fear the caretaker. You just think, "Oh, all right, we'll disappear for 5 minutes and we'll come back."
For me, Chance to Shine Street is a fantastic thing that you take to them, and that's really what for me is important. You take it to them, you allow them to make the choice, you give them the opportunity to become part of a team, make friends, get a bit of self-esteem, do something they would love to do but never had the opportunity or even choice to do.
And if you look at cricket in emerging nations, if you go to the West Indies or go to India, go to Sri Lanka, Pakistan, you'll see cricket being played on the street. And many of the great cricketers that have emerged from those nations genuinely started playing cricket on the street. They didn't learn in wonderful academies such as we see here at the Oval and all around the country, and they're also obviously fantastic facilities. But it's not beyond the imagination that cricketers can start off through initiatives like Chance to Shine and Street Chance. And we're very hopeful that we can be involved in this project for a long time and see genuine talents emerge.
There are many kids out there in lots of areas around the country that haven't had the chance, and Chance to Shine Street is going to do that, I hope. And again, we'll see many good youngsters come through it, and they will then hopefully have the choice to continue playing with their mates in the areas that they are playing, or they might want to say, well, where can I play elsewhere? And therefore we need to get to those kids. But on another point, it keeps them off the streets, out of gangs and in teams, and keeps them out of trouble. And for me, that's the great thing about cricket and Chance to Shine Street.